Tom Brakefield. I'm a retired architect.
My name is Dara. I'm an interior designer. We didn't like that it was closed in. There were cabinets all across this side of the kitchen, and it got very dark. It didn't make sense that what we gave to our clients we couldn't do for ourselves. I went to Angie's list, and Structura Remodeling was the first one that I found. So we got Kobe's name from Angie's list, and well, he contacted us. And Kobe came by and we talked. He knows his business and he had so much certainty, and we could just say, let's go ahead. It just felt right. Structura stood out because Kobe knows what he's doing, and you can't fake that.
And then when the demo crew came first, it was less than a day they got everything, so they were ready to go from the very start.
One of the things that could have been a problem was resolved from the get-go because our recessed ceiling lights were not up to code. And that's what he caught right off the bat, that we needed our electricity increased to accommodate all the appliances and the lighting. So he's very proactive, which I thought was great. The only problem was the installation of the backsplash wasn't to Kobe's liking, and the contractors had to go back and redo it. He wanted to make certain that he was making us happy, that we were going to be able to look at this every day and love it. And every step of the way, if something came up, he was here. We never felt that we were on our own. A lot of the nightmares that people had talked about going through remodeling, we didn't have any of that at all. I would recommend Structura Remodeling because they're responsive. Kobe and Jessica were always available. Kobe advocated for us, and he made sure that we got just what we wanted. They're encouraging and very optimistic, a lot of energy. He was involved, and I appreciate how organized they were and focused, and things just kept going.